Hello guys, we've got 20th of September 2022. My name's Piotr Fisner, but you can call me Peter if you like. So, today is a special day because today I'm making a public domain Intecracy, okay? I've made I think 2 or 3 videos where I've mentioned about it and where there was this writing, like letter, sort of. So I'll read what it is. It's not a long read, it's just a few minutes, so I don't assume that this video should be long. But let's talk about it, what I mean. So hello, it's time to meet in the middle. What do I mean? The world is going through from a monarchy or autocracy to a democracy, yes? But none of these represents stable growth for everyone. And whatever we will pick, there will be an issue. We could go for technocracy, where technical expert would make decisions for all of us, but how we can make sure that these decisions are good all the time? We can't. That's why we need something new, something universal to cover each and every human being's needs in front and make sure that no one is excluded. Well, that's my opinion, yes? So, these needs are as follows: shelter, clothing, food, commute, and communication. The rest is the least important to live. Now we have to make sure that there are 2 additional factors that make a whole difference, which are integrity and universal education for all types of personalities. Because I can be different, from you, and you can be different from me, and I will be learning in one way, and you might get distracted easily, and you won't learn the same way as I do. We've got different characters, different personalities. So that's what I meant over there. So let's switch to the second part, the last part of this, which is not long as well. We can use these 2 to educate ourselves and to thrive as a whole human society. If we can do it, now everyone has an equal chance to do something and be a part of something bigger than themselves. We'll understand the needs of others, and by understanding we can achieve more empathy from one person to another. For instance, if you don't have to worry about your basic needs, you no longer have to worry about your life. Now you can choose if you want little from your life and do little, or you want more and have the means to achieve all your goals and dreams. Have a community which can help you out because nothing is holding you back from achieving it. In the community, we have experts and we can question them as well and solve problems together. So experts are helping us. That's what I meant, yes? Experts are helping us to understand it, but we're okay to question them at any time and prove them wrong. And it's benefit for the whole community and society if we can prove them wrong, so benefit for everyone. And the finishing of this is just 4 lines. That's why meeting in the middle, integrity and the universal education make a whole difference here. Without it, we will always have problems with our basic needs because there will be always greed in society. That's why meeting in the middle makes the only logical sense in my head. So these people have to meet with these people in the middle, okay? And then we can grow something which is worth living for everyone. Yes, so let's finish it off. And that's why I'm making today, 20th September of 2022, so this year, this day, this month, this new word, Intecracy, a public domain. Piotr Fissner, Inte.Team. Those are the values which Inte.Team will be living. And that's our mission and our vision. We don't count that whole world will pick up Intecracy and will take it instead of democracy. We don't count on it, okay? But we do believe that individuals can join us in this journey of implementing Intecracy, yes? Because I do believe with my own heart that together we're stronger. On our own, we will be always acting against greed of other people. And it doesn't matter if you're here, 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 or above. It doesn't matter. Every person, like every animal, have something which they need to base their life on. And that's we who can think, who are above animals, we should integrate and we should do something one to another. So that's why, guys, this video has only 6 minutes right now. We will finish it below 10 minutes. As I said, it's not a long video, okay? The recording will go days ahead. I don't know when. I will look in the, I think I've got till 2nd of September. October, because that will be October now, sorry. So I've got, you know, so much up front, yes? So I don't know when I will put this video, later on or sooner. That doesn't matter actually, because I'm telling about this anyway in the videos. And I want you to comment if you think that there is some issue with that, because I do believe I've done my best job possible to explain that meeting in the middle makes a total sense. Hopefully you like it, because I love it. I love it. I came in the UK in 2008, if you don't know, and I loved that you can achieve so much. In Poland, you were limited and you had to fight. And guess what? People in Poland could do much more than people in the UK. And that was the sad part, actually, that Great Britain is actually going down, sinking, because people have no integrity. People have a throw-in society. Let's put it to the bin, let's go and buy a new one, yes? And we're wasting thousands of tons of e-waste, and that's sad. Yes, and that just to name a few, to not make this video above 10 minutes. So, you know, it's sad, but there's a time in everyone's life to decide on which side you are. Yes, you are on the side of those from democracy, or you are on our side, on Intecracy. If you are on the democracy, now you know why you're paying so much in taxes, in the central heating, in the electricity. Now you know. The decision is simple: integrate and thrive, or live in a democratic country, which we like. That's the problem. We like it. We love it. Sometimes it's too easy. And that's why hard times create hard man. And hard man creates an easy time. Easy times create weak man. And weak man creates a hard time. That's the problem. Okay? Because it's a vicious cycle. And I love democracy. And that's the problem. I know it. And I've waken up and I want democracy on steroids. I want democracy 2.0. That's why we need a new name for it. Something new. Intecracy. So hopefully somebody else will appreciate what I've done. And guys, thank you for watching. If possible, like the video. if you like what I said here, and bye bye.